This is one question from quadratic equation class 10. Look into this. We have to find the value of x. That means we have to solve it. Clearly, it is not in the standard form of quadratic equation. So in order to solve this and first convert it in the form of a quadratic equation, we need to transpose this term on the, or this factor, maybe this term, in fact, on the other side of the 0. So let's see if we transpose this on the other side, what do we get? We'll get, this is 6x plus 7. That is, on transposing, obviously, it's going to be positive on the other side. This minus sign will become positive. In the next step, we are going to do squaring both sides, like we'll be squaring both sides. That means this is 6x plus 7, squaring this. This is 2x minus 7 whole square. Obviously, in this case, the square will cancel out with the under root. So this is left-hand side will be left with 6x plus 7. And as you proceed on the right-hand side, we are going to apply a plus b whole square on this part. So this is a square, that is 2x whole square is 4x square. B square, that is 49, 7 square minus 2 times a into b. So 2 into 7 is 14, 14 into 2 is 28. So this is minus 20x. Now, as you can see that we will be rearranging them in order to obtain a quadratic equation. So we see that this is 4x squared, copied here. And this is minus 28x. On transposing this 6x on the left, it will be minus 6x plus 49. And transposing this 7 to the right, we'll get 0. Right, minus 7. Because it is positive 7 will turn out to be minus 7. So we'll be writing in the simplest form, minus 28 minus 6 will give you minus 34x, and 49 minus 7 will give you positive 42 equal to 0. As you can see, we can even take 2 common. By taking 2 common, we'll get x squared minus 17x plus 21 is equal to 0. Now, as you can see, we have converted this in the standard form of quadratic equations with a, b, and c as 2, 17, and 21. Now, post that, we need to factorize this. So if I factorize this, I'll be writing this question, this part once again. So this is going to be, so we have 2x squared minus 17x plus 21 equal to 0. Multiplying 2 with 21 is 42. And we have to split this as from the factors of 42. We can write for split 42 as 14 into 3. And we have to obtain 17. So we'll be writing this as minus 14x minus 3x plus 21 equal to 0. Common from the first 2 term is 2x, so it will give you x minus 7. From the last 2 term, it is minus 3 as common, so the sign will change inside. That will give you x minus 7, and this being 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Comparing this with 0, we'll get x is equal to 7, and comparing this with 0, we'll get x is equal to 3 by 2. Now, let's cross-check it by placing x as 7 here. We are still getting a positive value. As you know that under root expression inside an under root must be positive. But by placing x is equal to 7, we are still getting a positive value over here. And similarly, by placing x as 3 by 2, in this case also we are getting positive. So both values of x are valid here. So we'll declare x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the solutions of this equation.